We are planning our wedding in Germany, and when it comes to decoration, I just wanted to have something quite simple, some flowers on the table, a little bit of flower at the entrance, and we were quoted like an insane amount of money. Which I understand, everything is expensive over here, people deserve to get paid. I'm just not willing to pay that much for the decoration. So we sat down and we decided that
we are doing it by ourselves.
Exactly. So in this video, I would like to show you guys how we decorate our wedding so far. Let's go! Hello everybody, we are in Bauhaus. It's a place when you go in when you want to build a house. Everything is here, everything. For DIY stuff, my idea is I want to make a welcome board with flowers, and then up there, instead of saying welcome, I'm just gonna put all of the name of the people with like the sitting location for them. And the price is way more expensive than I expected. Come. This is the thing that I want. It's a piece of plastic like this, and it costs almost 20 euros, and I need like 2 of them to make it. That is too expensive. What about these? Are just 10 euros. So German boyfriend said no. So what about we take this piece, we put it next to the wall. We said welcome, find your seat here. Then we have like this here, and then the flower like here. I think this is the baby, honey. I think this is what we should take. Yes, guys. We made a decision. We have to go because German boyfriend is starving. He's gonna eat me soon. Please sit down. I would like to share my vision here. We're not gonna change the color. We don't have time for it anymore. So my idea is just we're going to write it by chalk or something. Welcome. Please find your seat here. Here's the seating thingy. The kicker here is going to be these 2 baskets in which I'm going to put this kind of foam here, and I'm going to put fake flower in here. It's just gonna look like this. Now we just need to aesthetically placing them somehow that they look beautiful. I feel like this is the right moment to admit that I know nothing about flower arrangement, and this plan is failing miserably. I'm about to cry soon. Because I planned this for 3 months and I told myself that I can do this. Like, this is easy peasy. Be honest, it is ugly. And I don't think adding more flower helps. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I don't have enough flour for 2 of this basket. So we're going to have 1 basket of flour, and we're going to squeeze a lot of flour in there. We're going to hide the incompetence of someone who don't know how to arrange flour with a lot of flour. Welcome to another episode of Uyen Testing Internet Tips. Today's tip, I heard that with these fake flour, when you first bought them, they are very, ugly and crunchy. What you can do is you can steam them with hot water, and then hopefully they will turn beautiful. I don't know if it's true, let's just test it out, okay? Guys! Oh, I love the internet. Look! Okay, guys. What do we think? I mean, it's not bad for someone who doesn't know how to arrange flower. I'm glad I tried it out. And I'm very happy with the result. So for the table map up here, German boyfriend said he has some solution and he would like to pitch for me. So, sir?
So we're having the tables. Just print them out. Put the names here, and then we can just arrange it here.
Like that?
Like that, yeah.
It's not the cutest.
Okay, you come here now and you write table 1 and the names of the guests. Come on, it's super cute. You will have them like here, perfect. And then you can write in the middle like welcome.
Okay,
that's awesome.
I'm trying to go.
Oh my god, I'm out of here.
So I love the idea. I'm just not sure if I want to see color in this kind of way.
I just think it will look super boring if you have it white. You just need to write one nice welcome and find your seat thingy there. And I think you can do that. Like you can pre-draw it with a pencil.
Okay.
And then you can just
okay.
Fill it out.
Okay, you have too much trust in me. Okay, let's start with my part, decorating the venue. So our venue is very tall. It has a very high ceiling, but there's almost nothing up there, so it looks kind of empty. So my idea is I need something around the room which is tall, and it makes the room making fuller and more lively. And then one day I was scrolling on TikTok and I saw that people were doing giant flowers to decorate their wedding day, and it looked like a dream. So I thought, if they can do it, I can do it. And that's how I started with crafting giant flower and making all of my friends to do it too. And it was super fun. Those flowers are made from crepe paper like this, and we have finished 14 of them. I will show you the result later. Today we're going to finish some of the last ones, and we have to figure out how to put them up like this. As you can see, I bought this for the body of the flower. And I also made beautiful flower. Let me show you. Beautiful, isn't it? The problem is, I forgot to make something to stick the flower to the stick here. There's a hole here. I have to stick this on this somehow. German boyfriend suggested to use chopstick and then some glue to stick the chopstick in the middle, and then put the chopstick in here like this. It doesn't work very well because then we have to basically break all of the chopstick, and I'm not really sure if it's big enough to hold the whole thing. My friend have another idea. She has suggested to use carton and then basically just roll it and then stick in the bag. Hopefully it's gonna work. We're going to try both methods out. So at the moment we have this beautiful flower, and my friend just stick a bud in there with the carton thingy. But I think we need more glue here actually. It's not. It's too big.
No, it's going in.
I showed the success story. I show it. Okay. The roses was successfully stick in here for around 5 minutes. I mean, this could be something too. And this is my new favorite creation actually. So I have the chopstick inside with all of the wires. The only problem is I made it too big. I think I overestimated the whole size. So the chopstick one is done. I just need to cover all of the wire part here with some more blue stuff. But theoretically, it is done. She's standing tall. She's cute. She's ready to show to the party. 20 more to go. German boyfriend for the rescue. He has a bunch of stick. That is, I have no clue what is it good for, but it's perfect for this. It fits perfectly. I'm just gonna stick it on the butt of the flower. We are jewelling the flower to give it some gravitage to hold it.
But also, like the answer to the problem of too much glue is more glue.
Yes. Because we need to stick it in there somehow.
Thing is happening too fast here. I don't know how to update you guys. So German boyfriend came up with an idea to drill on the flower through the balls and stick like a chopstick in it instead of like a whole big thing. And it works super well, you guys. I'm just out of chopstick to eat after the wedding. But look. Beautiful, isn't it? We're going to put styrofoam ball into all of the middle of the flower so that we have like all of the chopsticks sticking in it. Okay, I see the vision here. Are you gonna have like one more over here? One Damn, that's very good engineering. And here we have like a flower with just some hair tied holding it up. The engineering works. Damn! So we plug it in here. Let me make it a bit taller for you. Ooh. I think it should be like a bit tilted like this. And a bit tall as well. So like people can see it from up here. I think that's a good vision. So for the middle, I bought some styrofoam bowl like this. At the beginning, I used to wrap it in paper and it was super hard. I didn't know that it was super hard to wrap paper in styrofoam. But German boyfriend just came for the rescue and he just simply painted them like that and it looked way better. We're just gonna use them for all of the rest of the flowers. It's not sticking in it. Okay, update. Do not ever put hot glue in a styrofoam because not only it's not sticking, it just burned straight through the styrofoam. Not a good idea. Not a good idea. Fix it. It is beautiful. Oh God, you guys, it took like days, no, actually months to do all of this flower. And at one point I thought that it's not gonna happen because I just think the logistic of it is just too much. But I feel like we are getting closer to reality. It is going to work, I think. By the way, you want to know the state of the house is literally a mess. The flower is literally everywhere. Now we have to figure out how to arrange them. And this is the base of it. Each of the base will hold 3 flowers. And each of the pipe is 5 meters long. So we have to decide how long or like how short should these flowers be. And who's going to stay with what. Yeah, we're gonna figure it out, I think. So I would really like it to be at least this tall. So that it just look a bit more like level, like balance out. We're just gonna test it out now. We have to cut it. Okay, everybody. Nice, huh? I love it. Small problem. I was underestimate the amount of pipe I need. I had 10 meters of pipe and I can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers, which means I have 15 flowers. Can someone do the math for me, please? I need 50 meters of pipe. Wait. I'm sorry. There's something wrong with my math. Okay, if 5 meters is 3 flowers, then you just need 15 meters. Guys, what's wrong with me? Honey, if 5 meters is 3 flowers, how many flowers do I need? Wait. How many meters do I need for 15 flowers? We need 50 meters. 25 meters? We need 25 meters for these 6 flowers, these 15 flowers. And I don't have 25 meters, I have 10 meters. So that is the problem that we are dealing with right now. I am ordering it already. I don't know if they can arrive on time. If they don't arrive on time, it's going to be very, very bad. Super cute. Look at this. German boyfriend has this kind of scissor when you can cut everything. Look how easy it cut this freaking chopstick. Oh, it used to be very easy. So they do have shipping. Okay, so now we are coming to German boyfriend's decoration part. So as I said, he's in charge of everything on the table. Sir, do you want to start your presentation?
Yeah, part of the expensive decoration would have been flowers, but then I thought, from my point of view, that I would rather not have any cutaway flowers anyway. From a biologist's point of view, you have like dying plant genitals on your table, and I don't find that very romantic. So after that, I thought like, so why don't we just have living plants on the table instead of just having parts of them? And then I came up with like this cute little dude.
How many did you buy?
I think like 35.
35? How much did you spend for it, sir?
Well, one of them was like 3 euros.
3 euros for one of them?
Yeah, so it's still pretty cheap.
100 euros for the flower on the table. And the best part is German boyfriend's plan is after we put all of the plant on the table and the party is over, all of the family who's coming will have one of the chestnut tree.
Yeah. Okay, when we go through this forest, we will see something. We always use like the brown bear and the panda bear for us in our relationship.
Guess who's the panda?
So yeah, I bought 2 white bears.
How much did you pay for the bear?
I think 5.
5 euros, just completely white, and then he paint everything and then he decorate everything. They are the same bear. They are literally the same bear with the same color, and German boyfriend paint them into like little cute like this. He decided that the wedding theme will be panda and brown bear kind of. So basically everything else you're gonna see later is related to that theme.
Then we have this guy. I found him on the internet, and you can just like clip it onto something. Same one with the brown bear, but like I got those and I put those press buttons onto them. So
that was my engineering.
So you can also place him somewhere.
So the idea is we're going to get some big candle stand like this on the table, and he is going to clip it on the candle stand like that on the table.
It's really cute.
I love it. I really love it. So that's all of the bear already being prepared and tucked away. So the next thing is the guest gifts, which I opposed to because in Vietnam we just don't have gift for guests. We just feed them. But German boyfriend, being a very gentleman, he's like, we must have some gifts.
I mean, we're also doing Vietnamese things, so of course we're doing the Western things as well. And when we were in Vietnam the last time, I found those tiny cute little magnets of a Vietnamese wedding couple.
Great.
They also come in different colors.
Yep.
The red ones are the most popular ones.
How many of them are there, honey?
50.
Okay, how much did you pay for them?
If they didn't scam us, it's 50.
How much did you pay for them?
I think it was 13 euros.
13 euros, you guys, for 15 of them. Although, as I said, I oppose gifts and stuff, but I think it's cute. I think they will like it.
So last year we've been to Korea and we've been to an artist who was drawing us in a very cute style. That's it.
We have to cover his face because, oh my God, she draw like 2 freaking stroke and it looked exactly like him. It's insane, you guys. How could she do that?
So I thought, like, when we like that picture so much, we can maybe involve it into our place card.
Okay, are you ready to show your creation?
Yeah.
Ta-da! So it's going to be on the table like this. Our guest name will be in the middle. I think they will really, really, really like it.
Unfortunately, at every wedding, there cannot be everyone. Like for me, it would be my grandparents that I would really like to join the wedding. And especially one of my grandpas. He had that clover that he had in the garden and planted everywhere and gave to everyone. And so I thought, like, yeah, it would be nice to have a big pot of that clover there together with pictures of both grandparents. Yeah, and then I thought, like, wait, couldn't we also make that a guest gift? And then I started to reproduce them and make cutlings.
And
And then I also have like this little plant passport.
we have here the name of the plant in scientific term, just in case any of the guests is interested. How much light does it need? How much water does it need? When will it bloom? And how do you take care of it? Like each family has one,
each
right?
family can have one.
And then they can bring it home and they grow it somewhere, or they can eat it because this is edible. It tastes a bit like sour mango. The day when we decided that we're going to decorate our wedding, I was really skeptical and also excited. And today I could proudly tell you guys that it is 10 times better. We're doing this for less than 400 euros. We have a lot of fun with friends. And now everybody is excited to show that in the wedding as well. So I think it was a very good decision. I have no regrets and I'm very excited to show it to other guests as well. Thank you guys very much for watching the video for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.